Ever woken up 3 hours late because your iPhone alarm decided to whisper instead of shout? It's incredibly frustrating, and it's usually not even a hardware issue, it's just a few hidden settings playing tricks on you. Today we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you the 3 critical steps to ensure your alarm actually wakes you up every single time. Don't skip the last one because it's a smart feature that ruins most people's mornings. Step number 1. First, let's check the basics inside the clock app. Open the clock app and tap on your alarm. Tap sound. Scroll to the very top and make sure it isn't set to none. It sounds obvious, but if you've been downloading new ringtones or changing settings, it's easy to accidentally silence it. Pick a loud, distinct tone and make sure you hear a preview. If you don't hear a preview here, we have a system-wide volume issue, which brings us to step 2. Step number 2, the master volume lock. Most people try to fix this by hitting the volumes button on the side of the phone, but that usually only changes your media volume, like YouTube or music, not your alarm volume. Open your settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Look for the Ringtone Alert slider. Drag this to the right. Warning, it's going to be loud. Pro tip, toggle change with buttons to off. Why? Because this locks your alarm at the volume you just set. This way you won't accidentally lower your wake up call while you're watching a video or playing a game later today. Step number 3, the secret silence feature. Now, if your alarm starts loud but then suddenly goes quiet the moment you look at your phone, or if it stays quiet because your phone thinks you're looking at it, this is the culprit. Go back to settings. Scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then scroll down to Attention Aware Features. Turn this off. When this is on, your iPhone uses the front camera to see if you're looking at the device. If it thinks you're awake, it automatically lowers the volume of all alerts. Great for phone calls, terrible for heavy sleepers who might just be glancing at the time while half asleep. Flip that switch and your iPhone will finally start treating your alarms seriously again. Ever wonder how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone? Check this out now.